Greetings on this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings. AliShanMao here. Welcome outdoors. I am very happy to be able to finally push and force myself to come out and fly some RC and bring you some new videos. Well, in this video I'm gonna fly the F14 Tomcat, the Fattie version. You have watched it on my video, but this time check this out. I'm gonna fly it with twin EDF ducted fans. This is now an EDF jet version with twin ducted fan. I'm also going to post a video on my channel showing you how easy it was to convert it to twin ducted fan. No more motor at the back side. Everything is neat and clean, and this is now a true twin jet electric ducted fan version of F14 Tomcat Fattie version. Let's see how it flies, because it's, I believe, running a little bit heavy, so I have to keep up with the speed, and I hope the EDF will not burn out during this flight. I'll give it a run and see if it can take off or not. So here we go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. No, this time I'm gonna go far, just so if something goes wrong I can land it right before or into the trees. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here we go. No, one last try. One last try. Full elevator. Okay, and it's coming down, and it goes. And it goes down. Well, this is a total big loss. It just went into spirals. There it is. There it is. Is it still floating? If I had something I could take it, but right now I just have to swim maybe. Well, it's worth swimming or not, I don't know. The river looks too deep. Oh, the battery is burning. The battery is burning. Let's go closer. Pretty far for me to throw anything to get it back. The only thing I can do is take off my clothes and swim, which I really don't want to. So, to retrieve the RC airplanes, the stunts RC pilots have to do, look where I'm walking. I'm walking on this. I'm watching the plane at the right side as it arrives closer to this shore. If I could go to those stones, I believe it will probably either arrive near those stones or stuck there. All right, I'm lucky. I came here, the plane actually just coming over here. Now I can smell the burned electronics. And I can tell you, I just want to get my R2008 son of a bitch receiver. I mean R208 SB Futaba receiver, which is pretty expensive, people, I can tell you. I just want to get that because it will not burn, and hopefully it didn't burn, and hopefully it will work. And I want to get my EDFs out, hopefully they didn't burn. So EDF, servos, and receiver, that's what I want to get. I see my receiver is totally out of water. The plane is broken pretty nicely, actually. Just like this. And bring it here. Slowly, slowly. Come on, baby. Oh, look at that. The whole... Oh, that ESC burned out really bad, man. Look at that. Oh, the smell, God. Yeah, that is also a challenge. Let's not litter. I'll carry these as well. Come on, AliShanMao, you can do it. Kind of anti-slip sole. Oh, the missiles are down. Don't leave anything behind. Oh, there you are, people. And that's the end of Sir F14 Tomcat.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button, it's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button.